Welcome! Today you'll discover 5 delicious banana recipes that are quick, easy, and perfect for any time of the day.
Start by slicing 2 ripe bananas into even, bite-sized pieces. Spread a generous layer of creamy peanut butter over warm, toasted bread. Arrange the banana slices and finish with a drizzle of pure honey. Our first recipe is sweet, healthy, and ready in minutes. Next, let's make a creamy banana oatmeal bowl packed with nutrition. Finish with fresh berries and a touch of cinnamon for amazing flavor. Healthy, filling, and perfect for a busy morning. Up next, we're making a delicious chocolate banana dessert you won't want to miss. Dip each banana slice into rich, melted dark chocolate.
Sprinkle crushed almonds for extra crunch and flavor.
Sweet, crunchy, and perfect for a quick dessert.
Now let's make a refreshing banana smoothie.
Blend everything until smooth and creamy.
Pour into a glass and garnish with fresh banana slices.
Final recipe is soft and fluffy banana pancakes. Cook until golden. Then stack them high with butter and maple syrup. Which banana recipe is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and subscribe to Quick Recipe Hub for more easy and delicious recipes.